Odor absorber. Effortlessly whisks away lingering scents from your hands. Smart technology. Molecules in the stainless steel bind with sulfur molecules on your hand, transferring unwanted odors onto the bar when rubbed. Cooking essential. Use after handling garlic, fish, onions, and other fragrant foods. Portable, easy to use. Simply rub between hands with or without water. Compact design easily fits in pockets and backpacks for conveniently freshening hands while camping, fishing, hiking, and other on-the-go activities. Dishwasher safe. For quick, easy cleanup. Easily remove lingering scents from your hands with this mini rub-away bar by Amco. The molecules in the stainless steel bind with sulfur molecules on your hands, transferring odors onto the bar when rubbed. This simple-to-use, portable bar works with or without water. Simply rub the bar between your hands to whisk away unwanted smells. Use to freshen hands after handling garlic, fish, onions, and other fragrant foods, or while camping, fishing, hiking, and more. The compact design effortlessly fits in pockets, bags, and backpacks so you can keep your hands odor-free on the go. Dishwasher safe. Top reviews from the United States. Wow, it works. I was skeptical after seeing a metal solid bar making claims to wash the hands of any of those awful cooking scents that take days to go away. No longer a skeptic here. Wow. Almost immediately after using, the smell is gone. I rub this in my hands under water like a normal bar of soap for 30 seconds and follow up with regular hand soap. Poof, it's gone. I cook regularly and have wanted a way for years to remove the garlic smell from my hands that lingers for days. I've found it. And the bar is even dishwasher safe when it needs cleaned. Couldn't be easier to use, and for the price, it's definitely worth a try. Highly recommend for those who use garlic, onions, fish, seasonings, etc. Makes a great gift as well.